Intro in the car because it is scorching hot outside. It says it's 103 on my car, 96, 97 on my phone. I don't know what to believe anymore. But here we are. AC is blasting. Pretty big Halloween Horror Nights update today. Lots of construction happening on the facades. Wood is going up in the mazes or houses. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Our first stop is H Lot 1, where we could see they are building a more rounded top on top of the rectangle facade. To the left of that, you could kind of see this triangle piece. I honestly think this might be Terrifier, because in the concept art of the Terrifier Funhouse, you could see right here that to the left is the Grim Reaper holding his scythe. It has a more rounded top, and then there's two entryways, one through the clown mouth and one through the devil's mouth. So there's a good possibility that this might be Terrifier. And we could see higher up that it in fact does have two quote-unquote entryways. You'll enter through that big middle entry. The right might just be detail for the facade, but this is very much looking like the Terrifier Funhouse facade. Then we move over to H Lot 2, just the paneling is up. We're pretty much just waiting for the details and the announcement of what this house is going to be, which it might be Poltergeist. Facade work is going up over in Jurassic World. This is going to be a very difficult one to see facade-wise, but the facade is going up. And then riding the tram, the gates were open, and not much to see, but the framing is going up, and yeah, at least we know that the vertical construction has begun. Take a quick look over at Fast and the Furious Hollywood Drift and just how high up this roller coaster is on the hillside. It's pretty insane. This is from the lower lot. This is going to be a terrifying coaster, but I'm excited for it. And then over by the half loop, this control room looks to be mostly finished. I think just detailing now, and then paneling for the windows have been going in, and that's the only progress I could actually see. Now we head over to Parisian Courtyard, where the first half of the house is getting vertical construction. No facade work yet, but that should be coming in the pretty near future. Looking over at the side, more vertical construction has gone up, but nothing much besides the framework. And then we just have that big framework for that big scene. Not sure what it's going to be, obviously, but it's cool to see construction happening. Now we're on the tram for the T-pad. All the panels have gone up, so it's going to be extremely difficult to see inside. If you look at our last update, you could see the barn that was inside to kind of confirm that this might be Scarecrow the Reaping again. There's the farmhouse, and then a look from the Starway. Yeah, I think we're just waiting for an announcement on this one as well, and the detailing, and we will for sure know that it is Scarecrow the Reaping. Nothing is confirmed yet till Universal announces it. Now we have a look over at the Mummy queue. Framework just going in, not much happening. I think this is going to be the facade, but I don't think anything can happen right now because of the construction on the hillside. So I think when this is completed, which looks like it might be soon, we will be seeing facade work. A little look inside, there's an e-cart. And nothing much to see.
The sun is so dang spicy today that both my intro and outros are going to be from my car. The gates were open at Jurassic World. You could see in, wood is going up, the facade is going up. Not much going on at Mummy Q. We have more of the facade over at H-Lot 1. There's a little triangle piece that is going up to the left of the rounded portion of that facade. Wood has gone up at the beginning of Parisian Courtyard, so that's very exciting. And yeah, I think that's about it. All of the paneling is up at H-Lot 2, which we think is Poltergeist, and T-Pad, which we think is Scarecrow the Reaping. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you think. What do you think will be coming to Halloween Horror Nights this year? And with that, I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.